I'm on the correct floor now, but I have no idea what's happening today at Turkey.
I was in Turkey. And I was in Turkey.
Staying there. Yeah.
That fix it slowly. We have 2 hours.
You have 2 hours of this? Amazing. Now where's Grandpa? Currently around 1. Really long gonna be
I wanted the strawberry, but okay.
It's gonna be around 1. We got 2 hours of this, so I'm gonna get started. We just switched tables somehow. But yeah, why not? The sheets are wet. Oh crap.
Keep it so high. No, just the thing like this.
The food is pretty good thing. Round 2. Oh.
Guys, this food is so delicious. You should come here next time. Not me.
Okay. Round 3 is gonna be small with some some tiny things. Wow, so hot. Crap. Hey yo, Today the happy birthday music. I have no idea whose birthday it is. They crap out of me when they did the news. Today's school day is gonna be great. Round 4. That's some good crap. That's some good crap. Nah, dude. Round 4 is not for me, bro. I'm done. Okay. We are done with the food. As I can feel my cholesterol is rising. I'm going to get a heart attack at age 50.
No, he isn't.